question I will be answering is which number correctly compares the shaded parts of the two squares. Alright, so this one is 8 and this one is 6. So we need to know if it's A, B, C, or D. But let's just go. Okay, so how many parts are shaded for the 8s? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1 for the 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 6 and 4 8s. So 4 8s and 4 6. So A. 4 8. A is not correct because 4 8s are smaller than 4 6s. And 4 8s and 6 8s. 4 6s are not equal because these are smaller, these are not. So B is not correct and A is not correct. So let's check C. 4 8s is smaller, less than 4 6. That is a possibility. D. 4 8s is greater than 2 6. Hi. Okay, so that one's not correct because it has 2 in it. We don't have 2 parts shaded. So C is your answer.